Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. The assert statement in Python is a debugging aid that tests a condition as true, and triggers an error if the condition is false. When the condition specified in the assert statement evaluates to false, the interpreter raises an assertion error exception. Sometimes, it is helpful to include a custom message with the assert statement to provide more information about the failure. This can make debugging easier by providing additional context when an assertion fails. Let's consider a simple example where we have a function that divides two numbers. We want to make sure that the denominator is not 0, and if it is, we want to raise an assertion error with a custom message. In this example, the divide_numbers function checks if the denominator is 0 using an assert statement. If the denominator is 0, an assertion error is raised with the custom message denominator cannot be 0. Use assert for debugging. The assert statement is primarily used for debugging purposes. It is recommended to use it to catch potential errors during development. Avoid using assert for data validation. Since assertions can be disabled globally, it's not advisable to use assert for data validation in production code. Use exception handling and proper validation checks instead. Provide clear messages. When using assert with a message, make sure the message is informative and helps identify the issue. Consider using exceptions. In situations where the failure condition is expected and can be handled more gracefully, consider using explicit exception handling rather than assert. Now you have a basic understanding of using the assert statement with a custom message in Python. This feature can be a valuable tool for debugging and identifying issues in your code during development. ChatGPT